Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
You have done well. Must have been hard to fit in the States, moving at that age.
Yeah, it takes a while. Eventually you kind of become a different person.
I think a lot of people do that, even if they don't move to another culture. Seems to me that the trick is to remember always who you are, and maybe what it is that you're doing. Be in a culture without being of it. What would you like to learn? I'm ashamed to call myself your teacher.
你咪吹水啦，打就得。
Your failure is truly
做乜都得。你咪吹水啦，打就得。
harder. Stop by again if you find one of my steps.
打就得。都唔知係咪癲㗎？同你開。你唔得啊！咁撚多咩？我講啲即刻講嘅。I had no idea my boss was that kind of guy. I mean, what's that?
How am I supposed to do my job when you keep stonewalling me at every fucking turn? Fine, sir. I understand. I'll figure it out.
Everything all right?
These fucking politicians. They want me to clean up the streets, but they won't give me the resources I need to do it.
I got something for you. And I'm all you need to close
Yeah,
it.
well, it better be good. I'm in a pretty shitty mood right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Kidnapping down at the K-Bar. Russian hostess. Probably here illegally. Now, I'm gonna investigate it further, but I wanted to give you the heads up.
You know, I keep waiting for the other shoe to drop with you, but you've really helped us out a lot lately. Let me know what you find. Are you sure? I've never heard of Loki. I've never even heard the name. Whoever heard of a triad named after a Norse god? Someone in your department is dipping into complicated thinking.
Have you found out anything?
Not yet. Did Katushka have any favorite clients? Guys that liked her particularly? You know, anything like that?
You should talk to Mr. Chen. He had a real thing for her. I think they were, how do you say it? Special friends.
You Chan?
It's Mr. Chen to you. What do you want?
I got a couple questions about Katushka.
Why the hell would I tell you anything?
My name's Wei Shen. Maybe you heard of me. Little shits like you aren't usually so fast to insult the Sun on Yi.
Wei Shen. I'm so sorry, Mr. Shen. I didn't know. I have nothing but respect for that son on Yi. Please, I will help you any way I can.
How do you know Katushka?
We're friends.
Friends? Me, Chan.
Okay. We had an arrangement. I paid for her apartment, got her clothes, jewelry. She was appreciative.
Have you seen her recently?
No, not for a week at least. She hasn't returned my calls either.
Where is this apartment?
I'll give you the address.
Anything else?
She asked me to get her papers, a visa, but I do not know how to get papers. I cannot marry her. I got a wife already, you know?
Suck my you know what.
Tang, it's Wei. I need you to run a phone number for me. 5550-1514.
I'll call you back. Wei, you might have found your man. The number belongs to Yarkwai Lai, Fisherman Lai. He's affiliated with 18K. Runs a number of businesses along the waterfront. We think he's heavily into their smuggling operation.
Know where I can find him?
He likes to gamble. Frequents a little place in Central. I'll text you the address and his mugshot.
Good. Maybe I can plant a bug on him, see where he takes the girls.
How you gonna do that?
I'm gonna lose it to him. At poker.
do a duet.
I already told Dino I would do a song with him.
Oh,
You know I love you, baby. But my voice sounds better with Dino. What a disaster!
Wow! Super crazy awesome!
I will always
應做就做啦。一定有嘢啦！喂，幫手過去睇下啦。我一對襪會着兩次。而家好似越嚟越危險啊！Oh, I see. 嘅物就唔得啦。
I don't want to get in the way. Some people call me a marriage counselor. I should start charging.
應做就做啦。做啦，走啦，執住腳先啊！
我都有啲錢㗎，你打俾我屋企人，你一定要幫手嘅。
Let's not eat any more Western cuisine for the rest of the trip, okay? No fatty cheeseburgers anywhere.
That's cool, I guess.
Being
Oh,
a triad
I
street
see.
fight isn't as cool as I thought it would. It wears you out.
I've been flying so much for work.
Can we go to the gym?
Yeah, I think
Hey, wait. Can you help me out? I'm heading out in a minute, and I can use the driver.
Way! How'd the date with Vivian go? You wanna be her new boyfriend? Relax, Ricky. I'm just making a joke. So, Wei, you know Fifi Meow?
You mean the movie star? Yeah, I heard of her. What's she doing these days?
She's doing another movie in the Stripper Assassin franchise. But I want the role for Vivian.
That's a great idea. That would be huge for Vivian.
Yeah, it would help her profile.
Aren't you going with Vivian to the release party?
Yeah, you're right. Good call.
We're releasing the track that King produced tonight. You have a great time. You and the hottest star in Hong Kong. Go, have fun. You know Big Smile Lee?
Oh yeah, we've crossed paths.
Good. We've got a joint venture making porn. He brings the girls, I bring the production and distribution.
That's good money, I bet.
Yeah, if Vivian pisses me off, that's where she'll end up. But there's more money if I keep her a star. I just have to make sure she doesn't flake out on me. I want you to put some cameras up in an apartment. I need it done right away. Can you organize that for me?
Yeah, of course, Sonny. I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. Here's the address. There's a box of stuff over by the elevator.
Excuse me, sir. I don't think I've seen you before.
I'm a location scout. Could you let me have a look around?
Only residents and their guests are allowed, sir.
I'll be quick. I'll make it worth your while.
No, it's not gonna happen, sir. You have to leave the premises, sir.
How you holding up? Shit!
I don't want to get arrested. That could be really bad.
We have to send him a message. I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it.
Did he know who you were?
Yeah, you should have seen him. We should get out of here soon.
Oh, wow, that
You look
sounds
beyond
nice.
beautiful tonight.
I'm doing a tour,
Every
but
time I
it'll be
looked
done
at
in
you, all I could think
You know what
was,
you're doing.
I can't believe she's real.
Do you hear
Oh,
that?
Ricky.
She's too perfect to be real. Seriously. Every woman wanted to be you, and every guy wanted to. Well, you know.
Ricky, you have such a one-track mind.
Hey, Sonny. Oh, yes. You know I like that.
Okay, but let me go freshen up first.
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go have a smoke. Yeah, hey, Sonny. Nah, everything went great. Yeah. Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. Yeah, you should have seen him. Exactly. Fucking second rate. Oh, and now that you mention it, maybe I should check up on her.
Andrew, there you are. Are you crazy? What the hell were you thinking of arresting Jackie, huh?
Oh, I thought we were past all that. I just wanted to congratulate you on that business with Tang. Good riddance. Now, what about Sonny Woe? Anything new there?
What about Jackie, huh? Andrew, are you deaf?
No, Officer Shen, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to. Wei, forget about Jackie a moment. Whatever we can get to stick to Sonny Woe will obviously hurt Big Smile Lee. And we both want that.
Fine. Sonny had me put up a hidden camera in Vivian Liu's bedroom. She and Ricky nearly caught me.
He always did have a reputation for that sort of thing. Think you could get a copy of that?
Are you kidding me? She's got nothing to do with this.
This could be the piece that we're missing on Sonny. Can you get it?
All right. But I want Jackie in return. Cut him loose.
Very well. Get me the video and he walks.
I'll get it.
All right, I have to go. Get me that video as soon as you can.
All right, Benju, I hope you're happy. Vivian? What are you doing here?
Well, Sonny says you've been really helpful to him and to me. And I just wanted to thank you.
Vivian, no. Wait. What's this about?
Nothing. I just can't. God, Sonny's gonna kill me.
Wait, Sonny sent you here?
Yeah, don't you know that?
Know what?
I can't do it anymore. Sonny will just have to get another girl.
Look, Vivian, you don't need to. Not with me, okay?
So, you mean you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, you're the first guy who's ever, thanks, Wei.
Wei, did you bring the video?
And Jackie?
Done. This should be all I need to put Sonny Woe away for a long time. And with Uncle Po dead...
Wait, how'd you hear about that?
Good news travels fast. I'll have Raymond arrange your debriefing. Congratulations, Wei.
What are you saying?
I'm saying it's over. You've done your job. It's time to come in.
It's not over. Not yet.
Wei, the Sun on Yi is seriously crippled. Your mission was an unbelievable success. I must admit, I thought you'd be happy.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe. I can't come in now. I'm not finished yet.
I understand your personal reasons for doing this, your history with the Sun on Yi. This is why I selected you. But you've done more than enough. Those are my orders.
And too, Penju. I came on to take down the Sun on Yi, not to shuffle the deck.
Shen, you're making a mistake. Wei, the Sun on Yi is seriously crippled.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe.
Shen, you're making a mistake.
Orders too, Penju. What do you want?
Your friend Jackie has agreed he'll be walking out of jail in a few minutes. Just thought you might want to be there to pick him up.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
Oh.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing? Hey, so how does a man get to the highest stakes table?
You talk to me.
I'm feeling especially lucky today.
You're always welcome here.
Excuse me, miss. Where can I find the high stakes table?
Just over there. That's Mr. Ya's domain.
This is weak tea, motherfuckers.
You ladies ready to lose your money?
What? Who are you? I don't know you. Get lost.
Mr. Ya, is it? Is that the way you talk to Sun On Yee?
I don't care about no Sun On Yee. Only money talks at this table.
Then let's get the conversation going.
Have a seat. I enjoy watching people lose.
You want a game?
Too bad. You're not so lucky, friend.
Let's make it interesting. What do you bet against a hot Russian blonde?
A blonde?
Yeah. Got this girl over at K-Bar. Very hot. And she's, you might say, in my debt. You win this hand, I deliver her to you.
You crazy? You want to bet a girl? What am I going to do with her if I win her?
She's illegal, no papers. You can do anything you want with her.
Oh, yeah? All right, brother. K-Bar has the hottest girls in the city, and I could use another blonde. Besides, I'm feeling lucky. Too bad for you. Bring the girl to the docks at Central. Come play again. Maybe next time I win twins.
Liana, it's Wei.
Did you find her?
Not yet, but I found a man who may have her.
What are you going to do next?
I arranged for him to take another girl. I'll follow him and see if he leads us to Katushka.
That other girl, you're talking about me, aren't you?
Yes.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.